Hello friends, in this video we will try to discuss one of the Linux interview question. So here we will try to see in this video how to execute the .py scripts. Okay, we will try to create some sample py script and then we will try to execute it. So let's try to create the sample script first. So let's take some test data.py. So it is created. Now take this empty file, edit it and enter some logic. Let's say name equal to, pass your name as an input. Let's say enter your name. Now let's take some list. So this list should hold few names. Let's say first name is Soumya and second name is Ramya, Veena, Pravalika, Savitri, Rupa. Okay, we have taken couple of names under list. Now we will try to just print the name. Name is, so whatever we are entering the name, so that we are printing it at first, and then the second one is, let's try to say congrats, you are going to marry with. Now let's try to take the names as randomly. Okay, in order to do that, first we need to import the necessary library. Let's take import random. Okay, so now take it random dot choice, means within it there is a function called choice, and just apply the list. Okay, so what this .py script will do, it will ask manually the name whenever we enter the name, so which is going to say that particular person is going to marry with whom. So the simple py script we have developed it. Now let's save it and come back. Now for example, if I try to run it directly, test data.py, so command not found, it is telling. Okay, or else if I try to see test data.py, still it's complaining. Okay, import not found, because this is not understanding like. Okay, now for example, let's say in order to execute the .py we require Python. Now let's say by Python by default will be executed as part of Linux. So the Python is available under user bin python 3. Now let's try to pass user bin python 3 and then let's try to pass test data.py. Now let's try to execute it. So it is asking the name. Okay, let's enter some name like Srinivas. Now see, so this person is telling like congrats, you are going to marry with Veena. Okay, now let's try to execute it again. Now let's enter different name, let's say Krishna. So Krishna is going to marry with rope. So how it is giving the different name? Because under the list, under the random library, where there is a function called choice, which is picking up randomly the list. Within the list, whatever names is there, it picks up the random. Okay, so the motto of this video is, so how to execute the .py script. So first we need to identify where that python is exist, and then we need to point that path in order to execute the .py script. I hope this is helpful, guys. If you really like it, please do subscribe, like it and share it, and please do the comment.